um my doggy house. As you see, so I can leash it here, my dog. I don't have a dog yet, and so it has a bed over here, and it got a toys here because it's a toy room, and it got a little bathtub here if you want to shower. It got food, it got water, and that's all for my doggy's house. But because we want a doggy, right? We're gonna spawn a wolf. We're gonna spawn a wolf, and we're gonna also grab a bone. There we go. So it's getting already. Spawn a doggy. You clean it, and you can choose whatever color you want. I'm gonna choose Pinky because he's a girl. But I'm gonna choose purple because it's my favorite color. Then you can do this thing, you need to color change. Okay, so that's all, and I'm gonna leash it and put it there. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.